Okay, so you should start by organizing your pieces. You have two sets of two different bendy pieces, two small straight ones, and then you should sort your other straight ones by color. You should have four each in two colors. So one color is going to be your on the bottom color, and the other color is going to be your on the top color. And take a black pin and stick it in the very center hole. That's 3 in from each end, or 4th in from each end. And then take your on top color and stick it on top. Now take a gray pin and stick it in one end of your on the bottom color, and another gray pin in the underneath the on the top color, but like on the same side, like so they'll come together like this. Now take another on the bottom piece and you stick it underneath on the bottom of that pin there. Now we're going to take a black pin and it goes in the exact same place in the on the bottom. It's right in the middle. Now you take your on the top color and you need to stick it onto both these pins. So the gray pin goes into the end and the black pin goes, same place it always goes, into the middle hole, like this. And now if you got it right, you should be able to do this. Now we're going to take 2 more gray pins, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to do the exact same thing. One goes in the on the bottom color pointing up, and the other goes on the top color pointing down. And now again we take our bottom color and then we take our black pin and stick it in the middle, and again we take our on the top color. And this is the trickiest bit, is the bit where you put the on the top color onto the 2 pins. And guess what? We're going to do it again. This is the last time. And here's our last on the bottom color. Black pin goes in. Last on the top color. And see, I said this is the trickiest bit. And so this is the middle of your thing. Now we're going to work on putting the handles on one end. Actually, it doesn't matter which end. Just, you know, pick an end and say this is the end that is the handles. And you want 2 black pins, and you're going to stick them 1 hole from the end. So leave the end hole blank and stick the 2 black pins in there. Now take your 2 smaller, simpler bendy pieces and turn it, you know, line up the short part. Oh, you know, I did that wrong. The black pin should be in the 2 end holes, which is actually easier. And you'll see you want to put these into the 2 holes that are the start of the small bit, like that. Now flip the whole thing over so that your bottom color is on top, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so that's your handles. Now it's much easier to make it shoot out quickly. Okay, other end, we need to do the grabber. So you're going to, you know, spread it out again like this,